Hey guys, we have another toy unboxing today. Here we have the Little Tikes Garden table, and this is a water and sand table, I believe. And I've seen this on Amazon, and you can still get it for $45. So let's surprise Leilani, open it up. Look what you got, Leilani. It's a water table. You want to open it? Yeah? Okay, hold on.
Let's do it together.
Let's do it together. So it is now officially 90 degrees here, and it's gonna stay consistently 90 degrees. I've been waiting because there's some days that it would go back down to like 70, so I didn't want to start setting up all her water toys and then have to take them all down. So this is a present she actually got for her birthday last year, and we never got around to opening it. And it's for ages 1.5 plus, so this is definitely right for her. All right, let's take everything out, take everything out. Not that many parts. Yeah, watering stuff. It's a table for you to play water and sand. So I guess these are the legs. This is the top part.
What's that?
Slice it. Pop it on.
What is that? What's that?
They're like screws. Oh, there are screws. Okay. 4 screws here.
Can I hand me one?
Yeah, can you hand me the other blue thing? The other blue, this part? Can you hand me that? Goes over here. Good job.
What the purple?
The purple thing goes on top. You do that after, okay?
What is it? What does it do?
You do this part. Then we do some screwdriver.
I'm going my hair for the pot. I'm going my hair.
Yeah, you're watering your hair? How about open the other stuff? Let's see what else is in there.
What's this?
That's so that the water doesn't come out of the table. It goes on that bottom part.
The bottom?
Mm-hmm.
What's the bottom part?
So the water doesn't come out.
Flower. Another flower.
Another flower, yeah. Okay, here, you take that one.
Whose flower is it?
It's yours. It's part of the table.
And whose flower is that?
It's gonna be yours too.
That's that. It's that flower.
It's
I think
Zed's flower?
Zed's wants that flower.
She does?
One for me and one for Zed.
Okay, you can share.
But
Alright.
Zed will come soon.
Because Zed will come soon, yeah. She'll come over soon, don't worry. After coronavirus. Alright, let's open what else you have.
What's this?
Are those like your flower pots? Like Papa's flower pot?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. I'll open it for you.
What are these now?
Those are like your shovels.
Yeah. They're like gardening?
Mm-hmm.
They're like gardening?
You see? Open that one.
What's this?
Yeah, I don't know if I had it exactly lined up. So I'm sure you could do this with a regular screwdriver, with the power screwdriver. Makes it much easier.
Oh,
Perfect.
I see mommy.
You see mommy?
My eye was in the hole.
Hello, peekaboo. Apparently, I don't think I put it in all the way with the screws. So when we screwed it in, it was not even attached. We were just drilling it into nothing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it takes
5.
two. Alright, so now the legs are screwed on. See here, Leilani? Can you pass me that black thing? I think this is like the plug.
Huh? Mommy,
That's Bonnie.
why do we slide all the way to me?
how does it work? Sure, it's supposed to go like this. Maybe you just put it on top. See, there's like a little lip here that has like an opening so that you're able to catch it on the hole. Okay, that did not work, so we're gonna read the instructions on how to put the plug in. Yeah, it just says press it.
Ta-da!
Good job. Oh, you figured it out. Yeah, Mommy didn't know how to do that. Good job, Lonnie. I thought it went on the bottom. It goes on top. You're right. It goes into the flower pot. It's supposed to be the soil. This is one side. And this goes on like that. And then there's like a little tool shed part. Oh, I got it. Oh, all right. Ah, yeah. Got it. Okay. And this part just goes on top. I did it, Lonnie. Ah, woohoo! And then you have your two shovels. Look, Lonnie. Thank you. Mommy needed that. This part, so everything stays inside. You don't lose anything. Molly, can you put it all in here? Yeah, very nice. Okay, we're gonna fill this up with water now, okay? And then you'll be able to play. All right?
I don't in this.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna fill this whole table up with water. Okay? All right, let's go get the hose and we'll fill it up. Since the table is in a lot of water, we're just gonna fill up this bucket instead of trying to take out the hose right now. She's looking under to see if any water's coming out. All right, so that fills it up. Nothing of the water splash is coming out. But you can play now. See, put it back in.
No, it's wet.
Yeah, that's okay. That's a water table. That's why you play with it, because it's wet.
And to feel it.
Yeah, you can feel the water. Yep. Ah! Smash, smash, smash. She decided to put on her snow boots. Sure. You fill up your watering can like this. Yep. You're gonna put it like this. You see? You fill it up. Where's the other flower, Lonnie?
I don't know. It's over there.
You got it? Oh, okay, put it here. Guys, so I think this is a success. You know, this is a lot of fun. We could just leave out here on the deck for Leilani to play with. And for $45, you know, it was really easy to put together. And all the pieces fit inside the container, which I really appreciate, so that this is easy cleanup. And then also maybe we might buy some sand, some play sand, so that she could have a sand table too. So it'll be a water and a sand table. And I think it's great for hot days, and it's pretty simple. You know, it's nice to have a little garden set and a little planters. I think these little planters are so cute. They actually look legit. You like it, Leilani? Do you want to keep playing this? Yeah? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.